take off our pants in the school parking.
Or when we were at Andrew's birthday party and you accidentally knocked me into the pool in your one-man stampede for the cake.
That's not fair. It was an ice cream monkey, and you know I have to get any.
You're a messy doggy, aren't you?
Come on, Oliver. Let's face it. The girl that you thought you loved is standing right here, and the truth is...
You're going to clean up your mess first before you get another one?
Wow.
Good job.
I think you're right. It's 2 years of my life I'll never get back.
Sorry about that. So, what do you think? Are we going to be okay?
Yeah.
Man, you good boy. Look at the way.
Yes, he knows how to play it.
Nope. In fact, it's a little awkward.
Let's go grab a hot dog.
So, Andy Moore, you don't have to have
Oh,
that.
look, good.
Boy, you bounce back fast.
Where's my dad? It's been hours. He couldn't sell it, that's what it is. He couldn't sell it, now he can't face me. You don't know that. Maybe something good happened. Maybe he parked it somewhere and went to cheerleader stole it. You think so? Oh, here he comes. Still driving it. I knew it. Failure. You're a failure as a father.
Now get a grip, son. They wouldn't take the car back, but I need to do something to beef it up a little bit.
Dad, changing the horn is not going to make
You
it
can get it, Briggs?
I know, but this
Keep
one-
trying.
Dang, this is tight.
Son, I proved you right.
Oh, yes, he did.
Yay! Good job.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, son, you can let go now. It was cute when you were five. Now it just throws my back out.